Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily transfer crypto from Bittrex to your Coinbase account. So the one thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Bittrex, go to top right and click holdings. Right here you're going to have your own balances, and you want to find, let's say I'm going to have a Bitcoin and I have the available balance here. So what I will do, I will click withdraw. Now what you have to do is to add a recipient wallet address, and therefore you need to go to Coinbase, click send and receive, and then click receive, copy the address, and when you're going to be here in Bittrex, you want to paste the wallet address right here and how much you want to actually withdraw. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. Then you click withdraw Bitcoin and you're covered. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.